already learned about the names of national symbols. Today, we will discuss more facts about the national symbols. Now, the meaning of national symbols. Every country has some symbols which tell us about the identity, values, and culture of that country. They are known as national symbols. Identity means by which a country can be recognized. Also, its culture and values get reflected by their national symbols. We must feel proud of our national symbols. Let us learn about our national symbols. Can you tell me the names of these national symbols? National flag, national anthem, national emblem, national animal, national flower, national bird, and national tree? These are the pictures of these national symbols. Our national flag is the tricolor. National emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka. National animal is tiger. National anthem Jan Gan Man. National flower lotus flower. National bird peacock, and national tree banyan tree. Now the national flag. Our national flag or the tricolor is rectangular in shape. It has three equal bands of different colors. It has deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom. You can see these three bands in this picture. The saffron color stands for bravery and sacrifice. The white color indicates truth and peace. And the green color stands for prosperity. In the center of the white band, there is a wheel in navy blue color. This is the Ashok Chakra. It has 24 spokes. The chakra symbolizes progress. Now, how to hoist the flag? You must have seen the national flag at various places. We must follow some rules with regard to it. The flag must not be kept on the ground. The saffron band must always be on the top. No other flag should be displayed higher than the national flag. It must always be carried in front of a procession, and a dirty or a torn flag must never be hoisted. Now, the national anthem. Most countries have a national anthem. It is sung on important occasions. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India. It was written by the famous poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. It is a song in praise of our beloved motherland. It was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950. Its recital takes 52 seconds. We must show respect to our national anthem. We must learn the song and sing it properly. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must stand at attention. We must not talk or move about during that time. Now, the national emblem. The national emblem is the seal of the Government of India adopted on 26 January 1950. The national emblem can be seen on the government papers, currency notes, coins, and official letters. Our national emblem has 4 lines facing the 4 directions, but only 3 can be seen at a time, as they are connected back to back, so the 4th one is hidden behind the front line. The base of the emblem has a horse, a bull, and a wheel. The words Satyamev Jayate are written below the wheel. Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Triumphs means a very great success or a victory. This is also called the lion capital of Ashoka. The emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar, which is at Sarnath. National animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It represents grace, strength, and power. Due to the tiger's number decreasing gradually, in April 1973, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the Indian government to provide protection to the tigers. Now they are in a comfortable and safe position in India. See the beautiful lotus flower in this picture. The lotus is our national flower. It is a sacred flower which grows in muddy ponds and lakes. The flower represents truth, knowledge, and wealth. The lotus has been widely used in our art and culture. You must have seen the Indian peacock dancing in the rainy season. Indian peacock is the national bird of India. It is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. It is a symbol of beauty and grace. It has an important place in our art and culture. Now, the national tree, Indian banyan tree. It is a huge tree and the branches of this tree spread over a large area. Now, recall Indian national symbols. National emblem, lion capital of Ashoka, national animal, tiger, national flag, tricolor, national bird, peacock, national flower, lotus, and national tree, banyan tree.